We are pleased to show you 2006 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: third row seat, anti-lock brakes, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, quad seating, air conditioning, power steering, home link garage door opener, aluminum wheels, cruise control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.